In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Sora website on Google and submit a creative prompt. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type the word Sora and press enter. You should see results related to the Sora platform. Look for the official Sora website in the results. It typically appears near the top, and the listing should clearly indicate it's the official site. Click that link to go to the home page. Once you're on the Sora website, you'll find an area where you can enter a prompt. This is where you describe exactly what you want Sora to generate. Think of the prompt box as your creative command center. The clearer and more vivid your description, the better the output tends to be. Today, we're going to use a ready-made prompt so you can see how it works from start to finish. Click into the prompt field and type or paste the following. A comedic kitchen scene where a cook's disastrous sticky pan chaos turns heroic when a glowing non-stick pan descends from the heavens, transforming every flip, slide, and sizzle into a dramatic, goofy, perfectly effortless cooking spectacle. Take a moment to scan what you entered to make sure it's complete and spelled correctly. Notice how this prompt sets a scene, defines a tone, comedic, and introduces a visual twist with the glowing non-stick pan. That kind of detail helps guide the system toward a specific, entertaining result. If your cursor is still in the box, click outside it so the site registers your full prompt. Then look for the Submit button. When you're ready, click Submit. After submitting, give the system a moment to process your request. Depending on the platform's current load, it may take a little time. While you wait, remember that prompts like this work best when they balance clarity with creativity. You've provided a setting, a problem, a magical solution, and the mood you want, dramatic and goofy, along with action words like flip, slide, and sizzle. All of that gives Sora strong direction. Once the submission completes, you should see the results appear based on your prompt. If you're following along live, feel free to watch the output and consider what you like about it. That's all there is to it. Google Sora, open the official site, enter the prompt exactly as written, and click Submit. Great job following along, and enjoy experimenting with your own ideas next time.